Hey, hi. My name is Tarun Gupta. I'm 29 years old and I'm from Ujjain. My friend actually had done his hair transplant from Pancholi sir, so he referred me to the doctor, and therefore I came here and I got my hair transplant done. And it was actually a really the hospital is really nice and everyone is very friendly and the doctor is really an expert. And I thought that it would be very much painful, actually, frankly, but eventually when actually the process started, at that point of time I was kind of scared initially a bit, but the doctor and all the associates were very caring and very helpful, and they made sure that I was not feeling any kind of pain during the process. So that was really great. And then I think it took around 7 to 8 hours, but there were very frequent breaks, and whenever I needed to ease out a bit, I was given time, which was again good. So it took around 7 to 8 hours, and then the process was done. So the hairline, they constructed the entire hairline here, which is really nice. And then after that, I have had few follow-up sessions as well. So in there also, the doctor and the associates told me what are the best practices, what kind of medicine I should take, how I should take care of the hair in the upcoming weeks, months and years. So yeah, all in all, it had been a very great experience. And yeah, definitely if you want to get your hair transplant, you can definitely consider Dr. Pancholi. So about the pain, actually there was very less pain, and initially I thought that there would be a lot of pain, but after getting all the anesthesia, it was very minimal pain. And then even after the treatment was done, there was very less pain on the treated part, on the transplanted part. So that was really nice. And then after doing the process, I was able to get back to my normal life very quickly. It was not like that it would take a lot of time, and I was able to start my office as well within one day of I didn't even have to take any kind of leave, so that was again good. And usually I think people are kind of afraid that there may be some side effects of the medicine or of the treatment, but I haven't experienced anything yet, so that is again one more plus point on this. So yeah, because all of these reasons, I think my experience has been really nice of my hair transplant, and I think you can also get over this, and it should not be any issue with you as well. So for my transplant, actually they took the hair from the back of my head, and initially because of the amount of grafts that were to be taken, I thought that it would kind of make the back look a bit weird, but frankly this has not been the case, and it doesn't even look like there has been any kind of transplant. It looks very normal. So yeah, that is really nice. And I actually asked a few of my family members and friends also, and they were also saying that it doesn't even look like that you have done a transplant from the back, because everything is healed up, and there is no gap between hairs as you would think there would be.